Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ishal's Learning Space. So today we are going to learn maths and our topic is percentages. So now let us start with the topic percentages. So percentages, when the word percentage comes in your mind, you must remember something. Yes, something comes to your mind, that percentages are used in our daily life. So what does actually percentage mean? So the word percent actually means per 100, or we can say or for every 100. So the word percentage is actually based on the Latin word called the centrum. So actually percentage is a special kind of fraction. So it always has a denominator equal to 100. Its denominator is always and always equal to 100. So this one symbol is actually used to represent percentage. So this symbol means percent or upon 100. So now we know that percentage is a special kind of fraction that always and always has 100 in its denominator. Now let's learn how to convert a percentage into a fraction. Let's do it by doing an example. Okay, so as you know that we know that a percentage is a fraction which always has a denominator equals to 100. So instead of writing the fraction, we use this special sign to show 100 means as a percent. So this percentage. So this sign is actually called a percent. And now let's learn how to convert a percentage into a fraction. So first, what will we do? As we know that the denominator of a percentage is always equals to 100. So we will write a 100 in the denominator, and whatever the number is will be our numerator. This way we will know how to convert a percentage into a fraction. Now let's try to solve the second example. First we will write 100 in the denominator, then 50 above in our answer. Now 126%. So it can be written in the form of percentage, but it will be an improper fraction. Like in our previous videos, we know that what is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction which has the numerator greater than the denominator. Now let's learn how to convert a fraction into a percentage. So you know, percentage is a fraction which always has a denominator equal to 100. In percentages, when you are reading percentages, it's always must to keep this point in your mind, that percentage means equals to 100. So first, when there is a fraction, if the denominator is not 100, we have to make it 100 by multiplying with a number which gives the denominator 100. How to do this? Okay, let me tell you. Now 10. With which number should I multiply 10 to make it 100? If I multiply 10 by 10, it will give me the denominator 100. So same I have to do with the numerator. If I am applying changes in the denominator, the same changes I have to apply in the numerator. So this you will learn in the equivalent fractions, which video is already uploaded. So 10 over here, and 6 times is 60. So 60% will be our answer. This is converted into a fraction. Now we can easily write it down as 60%. Now 4 by 20. Is there any number through which it is possible to make the denominator 100 by multiplying it by 20? Yes, we have to multiply 20 by 5. Same changes in the numerator as well. Now I will get my fraction 20 over 100 upon 100. So I will easily convert it into a percentage. Now 75 upon 100. So it is already have the denominator is equal to 100. So simply I will just write the percentage like this. Now we know how to convert fractions into percentages as well. So the main question is, can a percentage be converted into a decimal? The answer is yes. A percentage can also be converted into a decimal. A decimal is a fraction whose denominator is the power of 10, 100 or 1000. So percentages can be converted into decimals because we are also using the number 100 in the decimal. So if we want to change a percentage into a decimal, so we can do it. So to convert a percentage into a decimal, the first thing which I have to do is to convert it into a fraction. So as we know how to convert it into a fraction, first I have converted it into a fraction. Now how to convert a fraction into decimal? You can watch my previous video on decimals to learn that. So how do we actually do it? First we write the numerator as it is. The number of zeros over here, there are 2 zeros and there are 2 digits over here in the number, so you exactly put a decimal point over here and 0 over here. So this is how we convert a percentage into a decimal. So 3%, 3 by 100, and then it would be 0.03, the answer. Then 99%, 99 by 100, and then 0.99 will be our answer. So we can also convert decimals into percentages. So let's now try that. Okay, so to convert decimal into percentage, what will we do? First, we will actually convert the decimal into a fraction. So how to convert a decimal into a fraction? First, we will write the whole decimal as it is. Remove the decimal point, write 1 underneath it, and according to the number of digits we will add the zeros. Then it's now 469 by 100. So now what will be its percentage? Its percentage will be simply 469%. So 0.23. First I will convert it into a fraction. The fraction will be like this. Then I will convert it into a percentage. Yes, 33% will be our answer. This one part is a little bit tricky. So when I will convert this into a fraction, the answer is 39.10. So it's not 100. So to do this, I will convert 10 into 100. Now how to do that? As we learned in the fraction into percentage. What will I do? I will multiply 10 with 10 to get the denominator 100. Multiply 10 by 10. So then I will simply get the answer 390 over here and 100 will be over here. Now our percentage over here will be 390%.